Welcome to Hedera Hbar price prediction between the year 2022 down to 2030. Now, at the time of recording this video, this coin have actually gained a lot of attention, and currently the Hedera is ranked number 39 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now the market cap of Hedera is about $1.6 billion, and that is a lot. Well, in this video, let's talk about the price prediction based on experts. We are talking about based on what crypto experts around the world thinks about Hedera. What is our prediction? How much do you need, and how much can you really make if these predictions come to pass? Now, without wasting time, in 2022 Hedera price prediction based on experts, they have actually predicted that Hedera is going to end this year trading at a minimum of 13 cents and a maximum of 15 cents. That's Hedera is going to hit 100% increase before the end of the year. Okay, now in 2023 Hedera price prediction is being predicted to end the year 2023 trading at 22 cents, while in 2024 Hedera is predicted to end the year trading at 35 cents. I think from 2022 2024 anyone that is holding Hedera based on this prediction will actually make some good money for themselves. Now in 2025 Hedera Hbar is expected to hit or end the year trading at 52 cents. That is about 650% increase in price from the time of recording this video. That is say $100 investment will be worth about $650 in the year 2025. That is a lot of profit. Of course, that's a lot if you compare this to what bank normally give. Now in 2027, now I'm talking about the next 5 years to come. We're talking about the next 5 years to come. Hedera is expected to hit $1.02. Remember, the current price of Hedera at the time of recording this video is trading at 0.07734. That is, Hedera is currently trading at 7 cents per coin, and now in 2027 we expect Hedera to actually hit the price level of $1.02. Okay, now in 2030, which is the goal of many investors, many holders who have been saying that most coins, they say they want to hold it till the next 5 years, the next 6 years to come, in order to make good return on investment. Now in 2030 Hedera Hbar is expected to end the year trading at $3.10. That is about 4,350% increase. Okay, that is a lot. I mean, that is a lot. Imagine investing $10, at the end of the day your money will become $450, or you invested $100 and your money will become $4,350. That is a lot for Hedera Hbar. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before making any decision. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.